Hi Big Data people, welcome to Big Data Tunnel. Be Biggie. We are going to see about machine learning, real interview questions for experience on plus for the company Standard Chartered Bank. Job description, it involves on plus years of experience in machine learning and should have good knowledge on NLP or CV using TensorFlow or PyTorch. Should have deep understanding on machine learning models and leverage metrics and should have good knowledge on ML techniques like classification, clustering, deep learning, optimization techniques, supervised and unsupervised learning. Financial model questions. So you are tasked with developing a risk management model for the bank's investment portfolio. So how would you incorporate with both structured, that is numerical and unstructured news social media data into your model? Second one is the bank wants to offer personalized financial products based on customer behavior. How would you segment customers using machine learning? Third one is you have been given transaction data with the labeled fraudulent and non-fraudulent transactions. Which machine learning algorithm would you use to build a fraud detection system? And how would you handle class imbalance? TensorFlow questions. You have trained a model and want to deploy it in a web application for real-time predictions. So what are the steps you use to deploy it using the TensorFlow serving or TensorFlow.js? Second one is instead of using model.fit, you want to implement a custom training loop with TensorFlow's gradient tape. So how would you do that? PyTorch questions. So you are training a neural network in PyTorch, but the loss remains the same after multiple epochs. So what could be the possible reasons and how would you debug it? Second one is you have an image dataset folder stored in a folder. So how would you use torch vision datasets and torch.utils.data.data loader to load and pre-process the images efficiently? ML techniques questions. So what is transfer learning and when would you use it? Second one is how to do GANs, generative adversarial networks works. Third one is what are some techniques for handling imbalanced datasets? Fourth one is how does PCA reduce dimensionality? Fifth one is what is cross validation and why it is important? Sixth one is what is the difference between precision, recall, and F1 score? Project experience questions. So can I describe a machine learning project you worked on from start to finish? What is the objective of your project? How did you define success? How did you select the model of your project? Did you try multiple algorithms? What hyperparameter tuning techniques did you use? Next one is how did you evaluate your model's performance? Next one is do you implement any model versioning and CI/CD pipeline for deployment? Next one is what strategies did you use to update and retain your model over time? Programming questions. So you have an imbalanced datasets, 95% of one class and 5% from another. So what Python techniques would you use to handle this imbalance before training a model? Next one is how would you build and train a simple logistic regression model using scikit-learn? Third one is how would you create a custom PyTorch dataset and data loader to load images from a folder for training a CNN? Thanks for watching Big Data Channel. Be Biggie. Please subscribe, like my channel.